Oh, come on, please move. What am I gonna do with you trucks?
Slow and steady.
Hey Gus, everything alright?
Well, not necessarily. You see, the trucks are up to their old tricks again.
Don't worry, I can help you out if you like.
Yeah, sure you are. I mean, are you sure?
Absolutely. A really operating division agent can do anything.
He can't succeed at all. Thinks he's superior. States that he can handle us. He's just so inferior.
No, come on, you nuisances.
Come on, Pete, you got this.
I'm trying. Come on, get moving.
Oh? Oh, wait, Pete, I think I know what's wrong.
Not now, Gus. I'm moving these trucks like only a really operating division engine could do.
Hello, Gus. Pardon my asking, but what's Pete doing here?
Trying to move the trucks. He won't listen to anything I say. I call that one going backwards in character development.
The brakes are on those trucks.
I know, but Pete wants to do stuff the ROD way instead of the correct way, me hearty.
As you should know, the really operating division way is how I can keep trucks in line and...
Pete, the brakes on the train are locked.
Knock it off, you annoying little... Oh!
Oh dear. Pete, are you alright, mate?
I think so. I didn't know the brakes were locked.
I tried to tell you.
I'm sorry about that, Gus.
That's fine, my friend.
Nah, I'm gonna make it up to you. I'll cover your shunting for the next week, and you can take my passenger trains.
Really? Jeez, thanks, Pete.
That's really nice of you, Pete.
I know I can be arrogant, but I think the decisions is right no matter what way you put it.
Well, I guess we all know what we learned today.
And what's that, Gus?
Always watch Pete around trucks.
I know I can be arrogant, but I think the decisions...